Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We're back at another job here this morning. We have a driveway and a pool deck that we need to clean, sand, and reseal. So let me walk you around and show you what we got today. So we got driveway area leading up to the front. Walkway going up through the front door, and then we have this beautiful pool deck area back here along the front over here. These have never been sealed yet, so when they did the pool layout, they put in AstroTurf for the dogs. So at any rate, this will come up really nice. Been put down for about a year now, so should be good. Okay, so that's our project here for this morning. We'll start our 3-step cleaning process. We'll probably go ahead and treat it for FLO, just because they're only a year old, to make sure that we don't have any issues come up afterwards. But at any rate, so let's get busy. Okay, so that's the treatment for the FLO. Now we're getting ready to do the organic cleaner, the point break. And then next up will be the wipeout to neutralize everything. So here we go. Okay, so now we're all set. We did all of our FLO treatment. We did our organic cleaning, and now we're getting ready to do the neutralizer with the wipeout. And then we'll be all set for today. Alright, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We treated for the FLO in the back on the newer pavers, and we cleaned with our organic cleaner. We blew out all the old sand joints, and then we neutralized everything. So okay, and then the back here is all prepped and ready to go. As I said, we'll come back in the morning and we'll sand it, and then we'll be ready to lay the sealer down. All right, we'll see you back here in the morning. Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are back at the paver sealing job, driveway and pool deck. We are just getting ready we just started the sanding process. So we're gonna get everything sanded up, and then we'll be ready to lay the sealer here in a little bit. All right, so let's get busy with this. All right, so we're all set here. We're ready to put down our sealer now. We got everything sanded, most all the prep work done. Just got a couple little things to take care of before we start. We'll blow this off one more time. We got our bucket set up ready. And today we're gonna be putting down the Hurricane Cat 5. We're gonna put down the D1 solution on this. So, all right, it's time to get busy. Okay, so we're all done here. I'll walk you through and show you how it turned out. Yeah, it's beautiful. Another nice job from Cat 5. I'll take you around and show you the front driveway as well. Driveway's popped now. Real nice shine on it. Okay. Walkway to the front. All right, well, it's another satisfied customer. We got 2 other neighbors that stopped by and asked for cards. So we'll see how that goes. All right, well, we will see you at the next job.